If mice persist after using PineSol and other household repellents, move immediately to a layered, evidence-based strategy that treats infestation like a structural and behavioral problem rather than a scent issue. Start by intensifying application of measures that demonstrably work. Seal entry points by thoroughly inspecting foundations, wall joints, pipe penetrations, door thresholds, and attic vents, and close any gaps larger than 1/4 inch with steel wool and polyurethane caulk or with copper mesh and expanding foam for larger voids. Place multiple types of traps along runways and near walls because mice travel in predictable patterns. Use snap traps for quick lethality and live capture traps if relocation is your preference, and bait with high-value foods like peanut butter, chocolate, or oatmeal mixed with a bit of bacon for extra attraction. Rotate bait and trap locations every few days and check traps daily to reduce trap shyness and avoid bait spoilage. Wear gloves when handling traps to reduce human scent transfer. Improve sanitation by eliminating food sources and reducing clutter. Store dry goods in metal or glass containers with tight lids. Clean up pet food after meals, and remove cardboard and dense clutter where nests form. Install physical barriers such as door sweeps, chimney caps, and mesh screens over vents, and consider one-way exclusion devices on attic entries so mice can leave but not return. If signs persist after 2 weeks of intensive trapping and sealing, contact a licensed pest control professional who can perform a thorough inspection, deploy tamper-resistant bait stations if appropriate, and advise on targeted products and follow-up schedules. 3 common mistakes keep problems ongoing. First, sealing visible holes without locating the primary access points leaves hidden entries open. Solution: follow runways. Use flour or talcum powder to track fresh footprints and inspect at night with a flashlight. Second, relying solely on repellents and scents overlooks reproduction rates and shelter availability. Solution: combine habitat modification and trapping so you remove resources and reduce population directly. Third, checking traps infrequently and using poor baits reduces effectiveness. Solution: check traps every day, refresh baits, and use multiple trap types along walls and behind appliances where mice nest. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who work on pest proofing, exclusion, and remediation, and helps contractors find clients looking for advanced pest solutions. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange real-world tips, ask questions, and share experiences so we can all solve persistent infestations together.